We've been talking about a big storm for the holidays. There was a potential for a white Christmas, but that potential is definitely a zero right now. Pretty much a guarantee there will be no snow on Christmas. But anyway, we're all talking this storm could potentially lower holiday activity in that it's not a winter-style storm in the first place. It's quite a warm storm and going to be quite a heavy rainstorm. Based on the models now, with possibly even a little severe weather. Well, we don't know about that, but, as you can see, here's the surface map, what we're looking at about 10 o'clock on Christmas morning. So, while all the holiday activity should naturally be peaking around this time, we're talking about strong storm, low pressure centered right over just north of the Canadian border in New York. By New York, north of New York, and we're going to be on the warm side, and cold front may have just been moving through at that time, so this would be probably the peak time for maybe severe weather, but there could be some strong winds, definitely warm, heavy rain's going to be falling throughout the day. The wind, it's hard to see if we get into the low-level jet, which could be up to 50 miles per hour, or it could slide farther east. So we're not sure exactly how the wind's going to play out, but there are indications that there can be some strong winds. But the rain definitely going to be huge. Here's a look at the NAM, what the projected total rainfall is for Connecticut, and you can see even the whole east coast really going to be warm with 2 to 3 inches. Here in Connecticut, the NAM right now is putting out about 2 inches with that purple shading between 1.5 to 2 inches of rain with this giant storm over here. And the backside of the storm could also throw in some wind as well, and that would be where we would see the most potential for maybe a flurry. So it's remotely possible, but not going to happen. GFS, Christmas storm totals from the GFS, pretty much the same thing. You have that 1.5 to 2 inches. This looks slightly drier. So, heavy rain, how is this going to impact the holiday activity? Possibly strong winds. It'll be unique as it won't be a classic Christmas, but you could see some cancellations, tough driving, whatnot. Could impact some sort of blowback holiday activity or whatever. So still something to watch. So basically 1.5 to 2 inches of rain for Christmas Eve and Christmas Day, potential gusty south wind. And low 50s for northwest Connecticut, and mid to upper 50s to farther southeast you go. So that's generally what you're going to see. Probably peaking Christmas morning, so the most tropical, not really tropical, but warmest time is going to be then. So, unique storm system, and just want to let you know about what's going to happen.